Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and hope you all are doing great. So today I have a very interesting product to show you guys, and I cannot wait to unbox it and just show you guys how I use it really. So this is a sponsored video. Thank you so much Lumen for sponsoring this video. They've kindly sent me one of their products to unbox and share with you guys. But first things first, if this is your first time of checking out my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Ezinma, and on my channel I share videos centered on motherhood, lifestyle, fashion, food, speed cleaning, pregnancy, and all of that good stuff. And if that is the kind of content that you love watching, I hope you guys will stick around. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to check out my new video. So I have this interesting product to unbox and show you guys. I'm really excited about it. It's the sort of product that I've been waiting to have for weight loss and all of that. This is how it was packaged. It came like this. So I'm just going to bring this out right now. So yeah, this is it. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to open this up. So at the back it just has like some product information. So it says at the back, metabolic measurement device. In the box you'll find the Lumen device, charging dock, travel case, USB-C cable, and a user guide. Okay, and the product is compatible with iOS and Android devices. So yeah, that is exciting. I'm just going to open this up and then open it for you guys to see. Okay, so I just took out the wrapping from the box, and on the box it just says Lumen. On here it just says Lumen, and it looks nice. I love the black design. And look what we have here. This is the Lumen itself. It says, hello, I'm Lumen. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up, and it's got Lumen on here as well. So this is where, I think this is where you're going to breathe into, and then this is the charging spot where you're going to charge it. Okay, so let's just keep this here. It has this thing, where this Lumen sits in perfectly. And then we have a user guide. So this is the user guide. It just says getting started, and of course it has Lumen here. So in here, as you can see, we've got the carry case. So if you need to take this out and about with you to the gym, or to work, or just whenever you're going out and about, you can pop your Lumen into this carry case. It's a lovely black carry case. It also has this wire right here. So this is the charger, and it has the charging ports. So you can just put this by your bedside table, or you could take it anywhere you want to charge your Lumen. So yeah, I like the simple design of everything. Everything is just nicely packed, and it has this kind of matte black color. This is just a lovely matte black color. So instead of reading this out, I'm just going to show you guys like a demonstration of me setting up my Lumen on my phone. So I'm going to grab my phone right now and check for the app on my phone. Yeah, so I'm going to go to the App Store. I'm going to go to the App Store and check for Lumen. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I proceed. So on my phone, I'm going to search for Lumen. Okay, so I'm just going to search for Lumen, and here we've got the Lumen on here. As you can see, it says Lumen Metabolism, hack your metabolism. I'm going to click on Get. So it's a free app that you can simply download. Okay, so I've now downloaded the Lumen app. I'm just going to click on Open, and this is what it says. Allow Bluetooth. Of course I'm going to allow Bluetooth. I'm just going to try to use my email to sign in. So it says pair your Lumen I'm just going to get this out of the way and pair them together. So all I need to do is turn on my Lumen and wait as it pairs to my phone. So I've turned it on now, and yes, it's connected. So yeah, I'm going to click on next, connect to Apple Health. So I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so Lumen would like to access your motion and fitness activity. I'm going to click OK. So I think I'll just turn on all categories. Okay, so yeah, just click on allow. Okay, it says enable notifications. I'll click enable. So it says users who enable notifications are 32% more likely to meet their goals. So I'm going to click that. Okay, tell us about yourself. So it's asking for just a bit more. So it's going to ask you for your weight, your height, and your gender. These ones are incorrect, so I'm going to change them to my real measurements. Okay, so it says tell us about yourself. Okay, so take a few minutes to help Lumen get to know you. So it says Lumen measurements. Okay, learn how to take a breath measurement using Lumen today. And calibration day, tomorrow you'll calibrate Lumen to your metabolism by taking 5 scheduled breath measurements. All right, so I'm going to try that. Then it says select your activity level. I often go for a walk. Your workout routine, add your regular workouts. Okay, I'm just going to add my regular workouts. Mondays, Tuesdays and Thursdays. You could just, select anything that you regularly do. Click on next. My sleep, enter your bed or wake up time. If they vary, give an estimate. Okay, let's measure your lung volume. We'll measure the maximum amount of air you can inhale into your lungs. Okay,
remove the cap of your device.
Okay.
Make sure your Lumen is turned on and paired with your phone. Sit in an upright position and relax. Inhale normally through your nose, then exhale briefly through your nose. Place your Lumen on the tip of your lips. Inhale as much air as you can through your Lumen. Keep breathing until the ring expands past the inner dotted line and your lungs are full of air.
So yeah, I'm going to try this
First, remove the cap of your device.
Okay, so it says well done. Okay, it says for maximum accuracy we'll take that measurement again. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, okay, so yeah, that is what it says. Okay, so one more time, I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the seconds to count down, and I'm going to read it through my Lumen again. Let's go. Okay, so that is what it's saying. It says, great breathing, Ezinma. Your lung volume will be used to analyze your daily breath measurements. So right now I've got 2.07 liters of air, I think. That is what it means. Okay, what's your motivation for using Lumen? My main motivation for using Lumen is to, lose some weight. So yeah, I'm going to click weight loss. Build healthy habits. Metabolic insights. Okay, personalized nutrition. Okay, increase muscle mass, yes, for my hands especially. Nutrition tracking, weight maintenance, and personal motivation. So yeah, I'm just going to click all of them. So with Lumen's help, what would you like to improve? I would like to improve my sleep, my energy, my body composition, my fitness performance, and my metabolic flexibility. So yeah, I'm gonna, you know, click on all of them. Have you tried any of the following in the past? Low carb diet, yes I have. Keto diet, no. Food logging, I've tried that. Support groups, yes. Nutritionist, no. Paleo diet, no. Okay. Choose your track. So there's the healthy weight loss, lose weight while improving your metabolic flexibility. I'm going to click on this. Okay, more tracks. Okay, that one is already recommended. So these ones are the more tracks. It says metabolic health, improve your metabolic flexibility and body. Okay, so it says tell us about yourself. Okay, so take a few minutes to help Lumen get to know you. I think I've done this one. So what else? Learn how to use Lumen in 4 easy steps. So turn on your Lumen, relax, sit in an upright position and relax your body. Inhale, take 3 normal breaths through your nose, then inhale through your Lumen. Hold your breath, exhale through your Lumen.
Remove the cap from your device. Sit in an upright position. Place your feet on the floor and relax your body. Turn on your Lumen. For an accurate result, stay calm and focused throughout your measurement.
So I'm going to try this.
Take 3 normal breaths through your nose.
So let's try this.
Your Lumen in your mouth and inhale deeply through your Lumen.
When I woke up this morning, I took this breathing. It said nice breathing, and I had only completed 10% of my breathing signature for calibration day. Okay, and then this one, it said welcome to calibration day. To calibrate your device, Lumen will analyze your breaths throughout the day. Okay, and then for this one, it just said today you'll take 5 scheduled breath measurements. You've already completed 1. You have 4 more to go. I have done the first 2. So here it just has launch breath. Your second calibration breath will be 1 hour after lunch. Lumen will remind you when it's time to measure your breath. And so the next one is the dinner breaths. Take the 3 remaining calibration breath measurements, 45, 90 and 120 minutes after dinner. Okay, today's nutrition plan. For an optimal calibration, follow Lumen's high carb nutrition plan. Eat healthy sources of carbs and lean meat. Try to avoid fat today. This one is just meal inspirations. You could click to find out more. It says I should avoid workouts today, but for a precise calibration, avoid doing any physical activity outside your daily routine. It says happy calibration day. You're off to a great start. Lumen's here for you every step of the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Lumen product. Also, make sure you click the like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.